Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Kikiwa with Byram House. Um, so I wanted to do a review on this hair. This is a review actually of this hair, this Paradise Twist by Afri Natural. I think it's a brand of Maine Concept. And this is, of course, I posted that video a while ago. This is the 4-week review. I've had it for 4 weeks. I did this hair sometime in August, right before my birthday, a couple of days before my birthday. So this is the 29th, I think, end of September, or the 30th. I don't know. This is probably the 30th. What is the date today? So it's been 4 weeks, okay? 4 weeks plus some days, I think. And I just wanted to show you guys this hair, reviewing it. Of course, like I told you, the main thing will be the cornrow growing old, which this has really grown old. I just used some, edge control to kind of hold my edges down, but there's a lot of growth. You see that? Because I use a growth oil, so there's a lot of, growth right there. So it's really very old, you see. There's a lot of growth, and I want to take it down, but I'm contemplating really keeping it for that 6 weeks so I could show you guys what this hair really looks like 6 weeks. Not the whole, hair, the whole style, but the hair. Okay, look at this hair 4 weeks later, and mind you, you guys know me, I'm notorious for slipping on my hair, which is what I have been doing. Some days I remember to put a bonnet. Other days I'm just so tired. You know what I mean? Because when you do night shift, you sleep during the day. And so on my off days, sometimes I just fall asleep without realizing, without noting. So I've been sleeping on this hair, okay? And as you can tell, there's not that much freeze. There's some that it's not that much for 4 weeks, okay? 4 weeks and this hair still looks like this, okay? Look, y'all see. 4 weeks. That's why I was saying this hair can last 6 weeks. It can last 2 months. It can last 3 months. If you're covering it before you go to bed, using your bonnet, and mind you, since I have done this hair, I have not put mousse or oil on it. No oil sheen, no mousse, no spray, nothing. I usually don't like to do that on synthetic hair. I've told you guys that before. But girls, look at this hair. Look, it still looks really good. The hair itself 4 weeks later. Back in the day, you know how we used to take hair down, wash it, dry it, and redo it and apply it. I mean, those days are gone now because there's a lot of different types of hair, affordable hair. We're not doing that no more in this present day America, okay? But this is that type of hair that you could take down, wash, dry, and put back on. I swear to God, this is that type of hair, okay? I have managed to keep this hair for 5 weeks. This is week 5 and some days, okay? And look at my little boo-boo here, but I've kept it for 5 weeks. And let's look at this hair. See how good this hair still looks. This is the hair under, so it still looks very good. The hair at the top still looks very good as well. Y'all see this? Y'all see? It still looks very good as well, but y'all see how old my hair is. Because I use a growth oil, my hair has grown very old. I showed you guys in the other video how much growth. So this is coming down today. But before it comes down, we're gonna step out with it. Then it's going to calm down. It's saying it's goodbyes. But are we gonna do this hair again? Most definitely. This will be like a go-to hair. This and the Passion Twist by Zuri hair will probably be my go-tos for when I can't find anything new to do or anything really good to do or anything I like at the stores. But honey, let's get this front looking presentable, because right now it's a hot mess. So to get my edges laid, I spray some water on it, and then I go in with my conditioning gel and my edge hairbrush there and just brush it down, because I feel like my natural hair needs a little bit more stuff. okay, before I go in with my edge control. And this time I'm using the Edge Fixer Edge Control Max Edge Control. And I realize I need a lot of product to be able to lay my edges down. I mean, I have natural hair, so yeah. And then after that, I use a colored edge control in jet black, and that particular one is by Eben. And I go over my edges, like the white hair and the areas where I feel like there's white residue from the edge control, and I just darken it a little bit. Then I wrap my edges with my head wrap there and just wait for about 10 or 15 minutes. I think my hair is probably dry here. It's not that dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry it, but I gotta go. Okay. So, yep, this is it. That's how I get that front looking better. Just much better. I'm just gonna play with my hair here and see how I want to wear it. Maybe to the front. But yeah, that's how we're wearing our hair today for one more day, and then it comes right out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.